Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a special video for Yamaha Arrangers. It is about the guitar mode. Yamaha keyboards have a guitar mode in the Style Creator. This is available in the models from PSR S710, 910 series and the Tyros 3. But the keyboard's user manuals don't have enough details about it. Let me play some styles I created with the guitar mode. This is another style. Now I'll show you how to configure the guitar mode in a style. Let's go to the Style Creator. If you need more info on the Style Creator, I have already made some videos on it. You can check those from here. By default, the tracks are not in guitar mode. I'm selecting a track. Now to set it to guitar mode, go to the SFF edit page and open the NTR and NTT settings. Here change the NTR option to guitar. Now it is a guitar mode track. In guitar mode there are three options: arpeggio, stroke and all purpose. Let us select stroke for now. This track is still playing like a normal track. The reason is guitar mode cannot be previewed while you are recording in that track. What happens with guitar mode is some of the keys on the keyboard are mapped to the strings of a guitar. This is a key mapping. The keys D to B are mapped to the 6 strings of a guitar. The keys C and C sharp are mapped to the root and fifth. We will see that in detail in a few minutes. The other keys are not used in guitar mode. Even if you record the notes in the other keys, they will not be played in the style. Let me record a pattern in this track. Normally, when we record a chord or phrase in a track, we have to set the root and chord type for it, and the chord recorded should be in that root and chord. Here in the guitar mode, it is not needed. We will always use the keys mapped to the guitar strings as we saw earlier. Here I have used the keys D, E, F, G, A and B. It is still not sounding correct. This is because the preview is not available while we are in that track. If we select another track, it will play the chord. We can preview it in different chords in the preview mode within the Style Creator. To go to the preview mode, select the drum track and go to the root and chord section in the SFF edit page and preview it in different chords from there. I have explained it in detail in part 3 of the style creation videos. Here we can change the chord root and type to preview it. Another option to preview it is exit the Style Creator and play the style there. While exiting, it will show a warning if the style is not saved. But you can exit without saving it. The data will be there until you select another style. I am selecting close without saving. Now the name is new style. It is the one we just created. This is a guitar mode. Remember, we use the notes D, E, F, G, A and B, but it generates all the chords from it. Now let me show you the other settings in it. We can generate different chord positions of a guitar. This is by changing the octave. If you play the notes in the second octave, it will be position 1. The third will be position 2. The fourth will give position 3 and 5 will give the fourth position. It will not change the octave of the chord. It is different chord positions on the guitar. Let me clear all the recordings in this track. Now I'll show you the use of the keys C and C sharp. C is mapped to the root of the chord and C sharp will be the fifth. It is actually the third note of the chord. It will not be always the fifth of the scale. I'll draw it now. Let me record a pattern with C and C sharp. Now we will go to the main screen to preview it. For the chords like major, minor, 6th, 7th or major 7th, the notes played would be the root and the fifth of the scale. For example, in C major, C minor, C6th, etc., it will be C and G. I'm changing it to C augmented chord. Now it plays C and G sharp. It is not the fifth of the C major scale. In C augmented, it will be C and G sharp. When it is C diminished, it will be C and F sharp. Going back to the style creator. The guitar mode has three options. We selected the option stroke. There is another option called arpeggio. This is useful when you have arpeggio-like patterns in the track. In this mode, the keys D and E would be disabled. That means only 4 strings of the guitar would be used, and the keys C and C sharp for root and fifth. If you have strumming and arpeggio patterns in the same track, you can select the option all purpose in it. Let me record another pattern. We are still using the stroke mode. I'm using the key C also now. When we use the key C and C sharp, the keys D and E can be avoided. We will choose a different octave now to have a different chord position. Going to the main screen to preview. We can use some special sounds from the mega voices to make the guitar sound more realistic. I'm selecting another track. Selecting a mega voice. Making it an octave higher. In this sound, the key C8 has a fret noise. I'll add some notes from it. Now in some chords, a different noise is coming. This is because the fret noise is getting transposed when we change the chord. Since it is a special noise, we don't need it to be changed to different keys on chord change. It should be something like a drum kit. We can set it in the NTR and NTT section. Here NTR is set to root fixed, changing NTT to bypass. I'll explain the NTR and NTT in detail in another video. Now this track will not transpose notes on chord changes. It is fine now. Let me add some more patterns to it. Let me balance the tracks. So this is a guitar mode. I hope it was useful. See you in the next video. Thank you.